Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's vlog. Monday, January 6th. I'm at Epcot, which I'm not here to explore the park, believe it or not. I'm just here to ride the monorail. Take the monorail onto Magic Kingdom, come back. That's it. Never done it before? Join me. Okay, so we have successfully made it off of the monorail, which, like I said, we just hopped on the monorail from Epcot, took it over here to the transportation station center. But now we're in front of the ferry boats, Magic Kingdom. As you can see, there's the castle. That was a nice trip, and now we're just gonna get back on the monorail and head back to Epcot. Oh, you're wearing a good shirt, but for Hollywood Studios. Now we're leaving Magic Kingdom and getting on the monorail, which you can see the Magic Kingdom parking sign. And the monorail back to Epcot should be coming soon enough. And back up we go. I don't know what she was pointing at. She knows that. See all the construction they've been doing. There's connections. Oh yeah, there's Harmonious that I always complain about. They haven't taken it down yet. Oh, we can actually see all the construction for Moana.
Wow, what are they making there? Maybe see that construction site? Why don't you build here?
Oh, that's so cool. See, this is the new Moana.
It's the same.
Oh, that's so cool. I never get to see down in there. Oh my goodness. It's coming along like a lot quicker than I thought. That was worth it. Okay, there is Spaceship Earth. We just got off of Monorail Yellow. We came from the Magic Kingdom. We got a really good look of all of over Epcot and Moana. Everyone departing the park. That was fun. Just for something to do for the day, and it was a nice day out today too. Okay. Spaceship, hard to believe that there's a ride inside there, hey?
Inside that thing?
Yeah, it's one of my favorite rides too. And Dame Judi Dench, whatever. Judi Dench, she's the one that narrates it. I have a hard time not talking like her when I'm on the ride, because it's, you know, she has that accent.
She's got that proper English accent, not that dirty, mucked up shit.
Well, like, I can't remember what the heck she says. Oh, she goes, oh, during that time, no one could talk to nobody. And I'm like, oh no! Because she's talking about when the Phoenicians invented the alphabet. Maybe. Oh, I was hoping he was gonna honk. Okay, everybody, I really hope you enjoyed that video, that quick monorail trip from Epcot to Magic Kingdom. That was really fun. I haven't done that before. And we got a really good look of the new construction done in Epcot. A new look at Moana. It's coming along really quick, and hopefully it's open soon. And we even got to see some of the construction at Tron, even though they're almost done. They are done. But they still were doing stuff around there, it seemed like. So, oh, look at that. Moana parking lot. I know, it's not much of, it's weird. Okay, if you like that, please like the video. Subscribe to the channel, it always helps me out. I'll see you all later, bye. A lot of people coming into the park, what the heck's going on? What the heck?